This is Meena Sharma. Today we will learn comparison between Indian and international place value system. So for this you must know Indian place value system and international place value system. Then we will compare what is the difference. Indian and international place value system both we are using in India. In India, we are using both Indian and international place value system. But when you go out of India, means abroad or other countries, there only we will follow international place value system. So we must know both the system of numerations. Okay, so I will write the short forms of this. Like first I am doing Indian place value system. Indian place value system. System. In this we always start from right hand side. So our first place is ones, tens. Ones we call it unit place also. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. In Indian system, ones, tens and hundred, these three places come under ones period. So consist of ones period. So ones, tens and hundred places, these three places consist under ones period. 1,000 and 10,000 consist in thousand period. Thousand period. Lakh and 10 lakh in lakh period and crore and 10 crore in crore period. These are the periods and these are the places. And in Indian system, these three places under ones period, 1,000 and 10,000 in thousand period, lakhs and 10 lakh in lakhs period and crore and 10 crore in crore periods. Why we are doing in periods? So that the number will be easy to read. Okay, and we put commas according to periods. First 3 digit, then 2 digit, then 2 digit. Okay. Now we will go under international place value system, that I will write here only. So on ones place we will write the same. Ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousand place, 10,000 place. Up to these 10,000, the Indian and international both the systems are same. But below 10 lakh there is 100,000. In international system we never use lakhs and crore words. We use 100,000, then million, 10 million and 100 million. So here we always start from right, and here this first 3 digit ones, 10, 100. This is consist in ones period. 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000, 3 digits. These 3 digits consist in thousand period. In Indian system only 1,000 and 10,000, but in international 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. These 3 digits come under thousand period, and then million, 10 million and 100 million come under millions periods. Okay. Now we will compare. First difference is here we have we use lakhs and crore, but in international we never use lakhs and crore. We use 100,000, million and billion. Okay. Second difference, in this Indian system you put comma first before 3 digit, then 2 digit, but in international system you put comma before 3 digit. From right hand side you will select 3 digit, then before that you have to put comma, then thousand period you will separate with comma 3 digit. Okay. Now many students are confused that lakh and 100,000 are the same or different. Now we will see. This is 1, this is 10, this is 100 and this is 1,000 and this is 10,000 and this is 1 lakh. Okay, this is 1 lakh. And here this is also 1, 10, 100, 1000 you will write in this way, 10,000 you will write in this way, and 100,000 you will write in this way. In number, both the things are same. Like this is 1 lakh, or you can say this is 100,000. Only the name is different. Okay, but in Indian system you can call it 1 lakh, but in international system you call it 100,000. This number is same. Like 10 lakh. 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. Yani both the numbers will be same. 10 lakh means this is 10 lakh and 1 million means this. So in number both the numbers are same, only their name is different. One student asked me, ma'am, crore is big or million is big? So we will compare 1 crore. 1 crore is equal to, you will write 1 followed by 7 zeros. 1 crore. And 1 million, you have 1 million, you have how many zeros? Only 6 zeros. So which is big? 1 crore is big than 1 million, because 1 crore is equal to 10 million. Because 1 crore is below. You will write the place value when you have to compare. Just draw both the charts. Okay. Indian and international. Okay. And then you will see ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 1 lakh equal to 100,000, 10 lakh equal to 1 million, 1 crore is equal to 10 million, and 10 crore is equal to 100 millions. Means 10 crore and 100 million both are same quantity. Crore and 10 million both are same quantity, only their name is different. Okay, so in this way you can compare Indian and international place value system. Okay, now we have compared. Sometimes we have to convert Indian we have to rewrite the Indian place value system into international place value system. So how you will do it? So what we will do in this, like question is rewrite the number using international place value system. International place value system. Okay, and the number is given. This is 2 crore 24 lakh 1,361. The name is given according to Indian place value system, but you have to convert it into international place value system. So what you will do? First you will write the number in figure, this number name in figure. So I will write Indian place value chart first, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So it is 2 crore. So you will write 2 crore. 24 lakh. So you will write in lakh 24. 1,000. So you will write 1 below 1,000. So 1,000 means 0, 1. 1,361. So this is in Indian. Now you have to write down this in international way. So what you will write? You will change the number. You will write the number again and put the comma according to international place value system. 3 digit, then 3 digit and then 2 digit. This is your ones period, this is your 1000 period and this is your million period. So how you will write the number name? This is 22. First you will read the digit 22. So you will write 22 million, 22 millions, 401, 401, then its period 1000, and then 361, 361. Now see the comparison. Number name is different, but the number in figure is same. The number in figure is same, only their number name is different because we are using different names. Okay, now see, this 361 is same in both the number name. Why? Because one's period is same. Okay, so in this way you can convert Indian place value system in international place value system. Similarly, you can convert vice versa, you can convert international into Indian. First you will write the number for it, and then you convert it Indian. So I hope this is clear to you. Now my one task is for you. You have to convert this in international place value system. My part is 15 crore, 15 crore, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 800, 800, 52, 52. Now this is according to Indian place value system. You have to write down its name according to international. You have to convert. So what is the first step? First write the numeral in Indian way, in Indian place value chart. Then rewrite that number according to international place value system, and then write the number name according to international place value system. I hope this is clear to you. Only 3 steps. First, write the figure in Indian system. Then rewrite the figure according to Indian international place value system, and then write the number name according to international place value system. That is only conversion. Okay. So have a nice day.